Hey guys, welcome back to
the Tannerites!
And today we are gonna have a ton of fun, just us girls, because we have partnered up with FabFitFun, which is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products that come out 4 times per year.
Wait, like summer, spring, fall, and winter?
That makes 4, yeah. Each box is $49.99. But it has the value of over $200 each season. Plus, you can get your first box for $10 off using, wait for it, the code YOWIE10, all caps YOWIE10, YOWIE10. We'll put it in the description so you guys don't have to remember it.
FabFitFun now also lets you customize some of the items in your box.
Now we're gonna show you what's in our box.
Da-da-da-da.
Don't forget to go sign up so you don't miss the opportunity to customize your favorite products.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, let's open it.
Whoa! Guys, look! They have their own cute magazine! Okay, so look, they have like different makeup things, and there's probably like, see, there's different makeup things and all that stuff. Guys, look in this paper, there's actually tips, like what you want a rainy day, like what you do with wet clothes and broken umbrellas and headphones. That's awesome.
That is pretty cool.
Oh my gosh.
They also have little coupon cards for your friends.
Face mask.
Whoa, this is cool. I've always wanted to try one of these.
You've never tried one of these?
The bubble sheet. Or
Aha! These are literally like my favorite thing. They are so, okay, should we try them?
Yeah, let's try them.
Wait, do we have a mirror? Daddy, please grab me a mirror. There's one on the bathroom wall hanging up on a thumbtack. Unfold mask, dampen face. Oh, Daddy, we also need what is it called? A cloth. We are so
Whoa,
loved.
that smells so good.
Put it on your face.
Smell it.
That does smell good.
Smells-
It looks like a super villain or something. Oh, it's half and half. One damp and dry.
Will you rub my face?
I'm gonna try to not get your eyes because I'm not gonna get your mascara all crapped up.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying not to get that. Oh no, let me get your nose.
No.
Blow.
Stop.
Here.
I can't see.
It's already bubbling. You gotta hurry, my dude. Oh, my face is going to be so great. Rub my forehead some more. Okay, my turn. Oh.
Big. It's big for my face. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like the hotel lotions.
It feels good on my face.
Oh my gosh, this is Glam Glow. This is like
A huge
product. Like this thing, you are like cool if you have these.
The instruction says it needs 3 minutes to completely bubbleize.
We are going to look at the other products while we're face masking. What is this? It's a towel. I'm gonna open it. I'm going to open it.
I love the pattern.
I like it. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a tag right there. It's so cute.
That is a cute
Oh my
pattern.
gosh. Okay.
Oh, cute.
Is this an umbrella? Oh, it's the one we saw in the magazine. Really?
Oh,
so cute.
this one's so good.
Should I open it? Isn't that bad luck?
Just do it. Just do it.
Wait.
While she's opening that, I'm going to tell you about the shower gel that I have been using.
Ah. It's so cute.
It is so cute. This shower gel is actually...
I think
It smells amazing and it feels amazing on your skin. I love this stuff. I actually have been using it. It is amazing. It makes my skin feel really nice after a shower. It smells amazing too. So after the shower, my skin smells fabulous. What the heck is that?
It's a teapot! It's so cute!
Okay, real fast before you open the teapot, let's take off these masks. They've been on for 3 minutes.
you go first.
Okay,
so
wait,
you
we
do
gotta
this.
read the instructions. How do you take them off? Let's see.
You take them off.
Remove
with
mask
your
and
hands,
gently
like
massage
this.
face with remaining cleansing bubbles. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa. Rubbing your face with the cleansing
So much for
bubbles.
saving my mascara. Oh, let's wipe it off with this.
It actually says in the instructions that you need to remove it with a bowl of water. So we need a bowl of water. I need to get this off my face.
Aha! I just feel like Frosty the Snowman.
Frosty the Snowman. Oh my goodness, this actually feels so good on my face.
This is soft.
It feels really good, and now my face smells good. It feels amazing. What is that again? The Glam Glow Bubble Sheet?
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
I love finding out about new products.
This is like cool because it's like full size products, not just little samples. It's full size products. It's like actual products. It's actual products. What? I need to finish showing you the teapot.
You were showing me that.
I can make my tea in this. Oh my gosh.
That is so cute.
Adorable.
I love this thing.
On it.
Look at that pattern and the colors. It matches my dress.
Wait.
It matches me too. It matches both of us. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, there's food in here. I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it right now. It's called Luna Rica. Luna Rica. I don't know.
Rica.
It looks good though. Wait,
Yes,
what is it?
While you're doing that, I'm gonna look at this thing.
Cashew butter filled with filled fruit and nut bar.
Oh my gosh, there's a beauty blender. These things are so cool. Oh, they're so nice. This is a beauty blender. It's squishy. It helps to blend in foundations and different things like that. It's really nice, and it's pink, which is one of my favorite colors. It's so cool.
Guys, this is way good.
I want to try it. Let me try it.
Take a square.
Oh, they're in squares.
They're so good.
Woo,
I will eat this every day for the rest of my life. This is salted caramel. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I have already taken these things out of the box and been using them. This one is called Grown Alchemist. You put it on your face after like a shower or something, and then you let it sit for a second, and you rub it in, and like, I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger because it's cool. It feels cool. I like to put a little bit on your finger. And it's not like normal lotion. It's actually kind of grainy because when
like
you rub it
sand.
in your face, it doesn't have too much in it. It's exfoliating.
Yeah, that's what the grit is, isn't it?
It
smells
it
good.
like actually scrubs off the dead skin, and then you rinse it off, and it makes your face so soft. Like, I've been putting it on my face, and I wake up and I'm just like,
I
petting my
snatched it
face.
from her the other day so I could try it, and it works really well.
It's firming eye cream.
That is a really cute bottle.
I know, right? But like in the mornings and at night after you like shower or get ready for bed or like wash your face, which you should be doing every night because it helps with your skin. Anyway, you get a little bit and you rub it. Like, I normally just put like a line right here and then I rub it around my eyes. And then it helps with like bags when you wake up in the morning, and it helps with wrinkles. And it's super, super nice. And like my eyes, like normally on school days I wake up and it's like, I don't even like vlogging in the morning because I have such big bags. But then like now, I put it on and it's so nice. I'm like, I can vlog, I can take selfies, I can do all this stuff because I don't have huge bags under my eyes. It is so nice.
Like, it smells good.
I love it.
Many of these products cost more than what you pay for the entire box. And many of these are from female-founded companies.
It's a purse!
Oh my gosh,
My
that is
glory.
so cute.
It's adorable!
Can I see this? Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
We could put all of our products in here and then hang it like on the door of the bathroom, or take it swimming, or take it on vacation, or take it to Lagoon,
Or you could use it to,
we can take it anywhere.
Look how cute this bag is. Don't forget, guys, use the code YOWI10, all caps, to get $10 off your first box. And don't forget to sign up. All the fun information is in the link in the description below. Go check it out.
And thank you, Habit Fun, for sending us this super cute fall box.
I am in love with this teapot. Just so you know.
And for
I'm gonna go make tea. And my face. My face is so soft. It smells good.
And for all of you, please give this video a big like. And if you're not already, go subscribe. Also, comment down below if you used our YOWI10 code. And as always, please remember that you are worth it. Bye, guys.
Hey, bye,
I call the teapot.
No, I get these two.
No, I called the teapot first.
No,
Hand
I
it
get
over.
the bag and the teapot.
Hand it over.
No.
Hand it over.
No.
Hand it over. Fine.
I like it.
I get this.
Aww.
And I get this and this because it's amazing.
I want this one. And the bag. Because I love
I
these
get the
things.
soft beauty blender.
Aww.
And I ate all of this, so I get it.
That was good.
I loved it.
You know what would be really fun and that I'm super excited for?
But
The winter box.
yeah!
Just imagine how much more like cute things are in that one.